Well, hello everybody. This is just a quick clip I'm shooting for a specific user who's doing a restoration on their Wurlitzer Victory jukebox. Feel free to watch or tune out, your choice. Alright man, it's hard to get in here, but here's what we've got. This is the back of the accumulator right here. Here's the little trip arm. This is the eye bolt you were referring to. It's got a, what are those little clips called? Like you'd use on a trailer. I don't recall those, but it's threaded up into this bracket right here. Try to get the shadow out of the way. That's adjustable. I don't know how to adjust that, but your ultimate question is, where is it attached? This arm right here comes off the mechanism, and there's a stud that's coming off to this side. The bracket is not forked, it just simply has a hole in it. It's on right here. And then there is a metal spacer that is just free to move around right there. And on the outside of this pin, there's a groove cut in it, and there's a spring right there that runs up this direction. I'm trying to get it. Hopefully you can see that spring. I'll try to look on the outside and see where that spring terminates. But between the bracket and this bushing being on here, the spring is what holds all this on. So something will kick this down in the mechanism, and it will take off the plays right here when it actuates this lever. And I don't know if it matters, but by the way that spring is made, not the spring, I'm sorry, that eye bolt, you can see it's closer to one side. That goes towards the accumulator. I'm going to try to, it's very hard. Bear with me. Maybe right there you can see the stack up right here. That's the spring on the outside in that little groove. Okay, here's the heavy spring coming up right here. This long arm, there's a stud right here that it is hooked into, and it as well has a little recess for that spring to sit into a groove. And then there's the accumulator itself. And I'm assuming yours is already on there, but that's kind of how everything looks from this side. Okay, I'm trying to sneak in from the other side so you can see how everything is attached, just to be perfectly clear. There's where the eye bolt is, right there. It's got the little pin in it, and it runs up to that arm. Hopefully that picks up. Okay, well here's a final shot from the back side of it. Hopefully now you can see how all that bracketry is put together on yours. You may be missing something, who knows. This arm right here, I just noticed, does have a stud on the end of it where it looks like it should have a spring, but there's not one on here. I'm going to trip this, and it's going to simulate or put on a play. That's all I can tell that it's doing. So you'll see the arm come down and take that play off. Here it comes. And now it's going to start playing the record. I'll cancel it. So now the arm went back up after the play was taken off, or after I canceled the record. So I hope this helps you out. Good luck.